So in this Fiverr tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to deactivate your account on the Fiverr mobile application. So once Fiverr's opened up, go to the bottom right, press on your profile picture icon. Once you're on this page, I want you to scroll down to where it says settings and then select on account. Once you're on this page right here where it says account management, deactivation, and deletion, go ahead and press that. And if you want to delete your account, go ahead and select deactivate account this way. Go to the bottom, press to continue to continue to account deactivation, and then proceed with the next steps. That way, if you of course want to deactivate your account. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward, but that is how to deactivate your account on the Fiverr mobile application. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.